Yummy neck chops. Very yummy, delicious. When you cook it, it's gonna be nice. And I'm gonna cook it today with pepper and salt and a little soya. Excuse me. And I'm gonna make it and with a gravy today, proper gravy today. And you're gonna love to eat it. Look how yummy. Delicious with the big meat here. So looking forward to cook it for today. My family loves it. And you can love it if you wanna have a lamb neck chops in New Zealand. It's one of the very yummy food that people loves. Hopefully you're gonna enjoy watching this and share and subscribe for more yummy food from us. Thank God for the food for the day. And you can watch and share our, and hopefully soon we're gonna try to sell our art, and my big massive art gonna be trying to sell it on Etsy again soon. Hopefully gonna allow and help us so we can able to build a house for the shelter for the poor soon. Thank you, God, and God bless.